pretty nice lipstick. It retails for 270. Okay. The thing that I got from Biotique is, ouch, wait.
Let's go.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Divya. If this is your first time watching me, I make videos which are related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and I have done quite few videos about fitness, inspiration and all of that. So please make sure that you watch all of those videos and also subscribe to my channel to support me. So for today's video, I thought of doing a haul because you guys love the haul videos, and like the last haul video which I did crossed 2,400 views already, and I don't even have, I don't know, I haven't touched 300 subscribers yet. So yeah, that's a pretty good deal for me, like it's a big deal for me, and so yeah, I thought of doing another haul video because you guys love it. So in January there was a Republic Day sale which was going on, and the sale is actually continued till now. It's not a Republic Day sale still, but yeah, the products that I'm showing are still on sale, so you can go and get those things from there. And it's a pretty affordable haul. Nothing crossed 500 rupees, and I'm pretty happy about that. So yeah, without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So first I'll show you all of the lipsticks that I got. So I got 4 lipsticks from Nykaa, and 3 of them are the Nykaa Mini Matte lipsticks. I got the color Cranberry Sangria, Devious Pink and Taupe Thrill. All of these colors are pretty wearable. So I think this was a very nice combo. So you have a nice nude and then a pinky lipstick and a deep red lipstick. So I'll include the swatches right after I finished describing the product. So you get 1.5 gram of product, and it actually retails for 199 rupees, but on sale I got it for 159 rupees. And it is pretty tiny, and you can, like, it can fit in every size of purse. You don't like need a very huge bag or separate cosmetic bag to carry them. It's pretty cute and small, and it can fit anywhere. So this is what it looks like. It has the Nykaa thing written over here, and this clasp is not magnetic, but it's pretty secured, so it won't even, just the cap won't let loose and spoil your bag. So for the next lipstick, I got this full size Rimmel Kate Moss lipsticks. Rimmel is a very great brand. If you don't know already of Rimmel, Rimmel is a drugstore brand, but it is a really good drugstore brand. So that's why I got this lipstick from there. And the total product in here is 400 grams. So that is a pretty good deal. It actually retails for 275 rupees, but on sale I got it for 138 rupees. I'll include the swatches now. The next thing that I got is this nail paint from Nykaa. It is in the shade Mink Muffin. This is what I have right now on my fingernails right now. This is that. It's not the matte one, it's the normal nail enamel from Nykaa, but it's a very pretty shade, and I wanted a nail paint so bad. I only had this other nail paint from Nykaa only in Rose Sharbat, and I liked Nykaa's nail paint, so I thought of getting another one, but this wasn't on sale, so I got it anyway because I love the shade. I love these kind of shades which are neutral, and you can pull it off with any outfit. The next thing that I got is this compact from Nykaa. It is from the Skin Genius range. So it is a skin perfecting and hydrating compact. Now with this compact, I don't like the packaging, and when I was trying to open the packaging and take the puff out, I accidentally scratched this because I just don't like the packaging at all. First of all, it spills everywhere, and then to take the puff off you have to take this, pull it up and then do all of this, and I don't even like the puff. It does not transfer well, so I'm not sure how I feel about the packaging of this product. But as far as the product itself goes, I think it's a pretty nice powder. It takes care of all of your fine lines and everything. So it's pretty good for the name. Like, it actually justifies the name it has been given, Skin Genius. I think the formula is pretty genius. So for the formula alone, I might buy this, but I think Nykaa should change the packaging for this one because it spills everywhere. like it spills from here, and then since there are perforations over here, so it spills down. So yeah, I don't like the packaging. I'm not really happy with the packaging, but with the formula I'm pretty happy. So I think you should get this one. In this one I'm in the shade 03, which is Warm Honey. It is the third shade, and if you are someone who is my shade, like I'm medium skin tone, so I think Warm Honey would do pretty well for you. I did not want to, you know, over invest in cosmetics because I'm not in the need of them. So that's all that I got from Nykaa as far as cosmetics go. The next thing that I got from there is this toner which is from Biotique. It's the Honey Water Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters. So if you'd ask me for recommendations, right off the bat, I don't like the smell of this toner. It's very overpowering. I don't know, it was as soon as I opened the bottle, it smells like alcohol. I was hungover till the next day. I'm just kidding. That's a joke. But yeah, it's very, very overpowering, and I don't like the smell of this. It's very alcoholic for me. I don't know, this is the Ayurvedic range, but still I don't get it. Like I am a fan of Biotique, and I have been using this. Like if you are from Visakhapatnam, any of you are from that fancy campus with the AC campus, that's the name of the campus. I'm not kidding, I'm not joking, I'm just not telling you it is AC campus. The name of the campus is AC campus. But yeah, if you are from Visakhapatnam and you know, there's a campus, Narayana campus in front of Sampath-Vinayak temple, and then there was a Vinny's there, so I used to go there. So it was my junior college, like my 11th standard. So we all, like I used to go there with my friends and get Biotique product from there, and I've been using them ever since. But I'm highly disappointed with this thing because right off the bat the smell is very, very alcoholic, and I'm telling you that I don't know, I don't like it. I don't like very alcoholic smells around me. And yeah, so I don't know about that. As far as the product, the working of the product goes, I will test this for certain days and get back to you on this. So fingers crossed on this one. I hope this does something good for my pores. See how this works. But as for now, right off the bat, I don't like it. So yeah, please hold on to this. If you're considering to buy a toner, buy something else, buy the Khadi one. But no, I'm not sure about this. So yeah, that is that. The next thing that I got from Biotique is this Bio Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrubs. All these things are for, like, these are the 100 rupees things. This one actually retails for 75 rupees, and I got this for 65 or something. But yeah, this scrub is really, really good. I had this in a jar kind of a thing. I had the full version, but I don't think it was available on Nykaa right now. So I got this one instead, and I just love this. It takes care of all of the scrub and all of that. This is tan removal. I don't know how much tan does it remove, but it surely does remove blackheads, and it's pretty good. It is a very good scrub. If you are looking for a scrub which is affordable and also works wonder for your skin, this is the scrub that you should go for. The next thing that I got from Biotique only is this Bio Papaya Visibly Ageless Scrub Wash. So this is a face wash, and it has some certain tiny, I don't know, it is walnut or something, that's what I feel. But wait, let me see what exactly it is. Yes, see? Oh god, I know certain things. Yeah, so this is this akhrot. It has akhrot walnut ka jo shell hota hai, that it has powdered and I don't know, mixed inside this, and it is very good. It is a very refreshing face wash. I just love this face wash, and yeah, it retails for 60 rupees and I got this for 45 rupees. So that is a very good deal. All of the deals on Biotique products are still going on. So if you're looking for a good face wash and a good scrub, these two things, like if you are looking for a skincare routine change and looking for some affordable options, I think these two are the way to go. So yeah, get these two. I will any day blindly suggest you this. You can use these two. So the next thing that I got from them is this Visibly Ageless Serum. It is an anti-aging product, and I think once you hit your once you're 19 or 18, once you're 18, 19, I think that's the age when you should start taking care of your skin and start using anti-aging products. It is available for every age range, so you should select your age range that wise according to you, and you should start taking care of your skin because it's the largest organ, I believe. I don't know how much bio do I remember still. but I think it's the largest organ, and I don't know. Wait, let me Google it. Now I'll Google it.
One eternity later.
Yes, I was right. It's the skin. Ha! See, this is why I used to be nice, like good in quizzes in school. That's why I used to win, because I used to remember things. Anyway, that's too much. It is pretty cheap. It originally retails for 230 rupees. I'll mention the price of this. I don't exactly remember. I'll mention it somewhere here. And yeah, this is why I got this. And I started a new routine altogether, and I'd let you guys know how it is. But as of now, I find it really good and like really good for my skin. So that is what I got. The next thing and the last thing that I got from Nykaa is this Plum Grapeseed Sea Buckthorn Nutri-Plenish Face Mist. That's a mouthful. Yeah, this is a face mist, and it is a really good face mist. If you are looking for any product out of all of these products, out of all of the skincare products that I would recommend you guys to buy, I would suggest this. You should go for this. It's a really good face mist. I cannot even tell you how great it is. Like if you're feeling tired, if you're like just want to refresh your face, and I don't know, just your face is tired, I mean like physically you feel the pain and all of those things, this face mist does it for me. I just spray it on my face, I let it sit there on my face, I don't even do anything else, I just let it be there, and it just calms all of my muscles down. It is a really good face mist. I swear to God, or it take care of all of the puffiness and everything. The reason why I suggest this face mist is because it can be used as a finishing spray after your makeup. It can also be used to, you know, just touch up your makeup, and also once you're done all throughout the day and you're feeling all very tired and everything, you just spray this on your face, let it sit for a while, don't do anything, and then you'll instantly feel so refreshed. It's a very good spray. I have used it like since the time I've gotten this. I've used it every single day. Like it's been 3 to 4 days that I have been testing this, and it is a really good product. It is worth the money. Next thing that I got is from Amazon. It is not from Nykaa. It's from this brand called the Momsco. It is their natural Vita Rich face serum with vitamin C, B3, B5 and E and hyaluronic acid. This is a really, so I felt my skin was a bit dull and not hydrated, so I got this. Hyaluronic acid is really helpful for, you know, keeping your face hydrated, and also vitamin C fights all the radicals and all of those things, keep fighting acne and everything. So that's why I got this to have a clearer and, you know, brighter skin. So I am testing this too. So yeah, so far this is a really nice serum. I don't have any complaints from the serum. This one retailed for 658 rupees. Yeah, I'll mention everything here, and also this time I'll leave the links to every product in the description box down below so that you can go and buy those things. Yeah, so that is the last product that I got. Those are all the products that I got from Nykaa. If you want to see any other product, if you want me to buy any other product and review it, do let me know. You can DM me on Instagram, or you can leave a comment down below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like this video, comment on this video, and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel if you like these kind of videos, and hit the notification bell which is right next to it. So yeah, I'll go now without rambling, without saying anything more. But please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Love ya.